Welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we are going to show you how to locate your fuel pump on a G35 or G37 sedan. Yeah, and I'm in the back seat right now, if you can't tell. So, let's just get to it. Alright, so taking the seat out, the lower portion to get to the fuel pump or to remove the lower section is really easy. You're going to see two black tabs. If you basically just grab the center of the seat, like right there, you'll see a black tab. You're just going to literally pull that black tab up, and that releases that side. And then over here, obviously, same thing. Lift up, pull out, and then once those two front pieces are out, just kind of grab the sides of it, give it a little shimmy out, push the seatbelt clicker back in, and there you go. The rear portion is out, and now we can get to the fuel pump. Alright, so once you have the lower seat portion off, you're going to see Phillips heads in here, right? You're going to see plastic. You're going to see Phillips heads like this, right? And you're going to want to use a Phillips head. Just don't even waste your time because they are going to strip every single time. Just grab a set of pliers. And there's actually an arrow on here to show you which way to do it. So you would think lefty loosey, righty tighty, but you're actually going to tighten that to the right on all these. You're going to tighten that like that, and then this plate comes up like that. And this, what I just unplugged, is your fuel sending unit. So fuel sending unit's on this side, and then fuel pump is on your passenger side. So we'll get to the fuel pump right now on the passenger side. Okay, so same thing right here. Righty loosey this time, not righty tighty. Come on. I'm at like such a weird angle right now. That's just how it is working on cars. There's no comfort. And then you pop this plate off, and then the one over here on your passenger side is going to be your fuel pump. And the reason you can kind of tell that is you'll see a big line, like a fuel line coming out of this. So I unplugged the main fuel pump, and then right here there's two little clips. There's one there and there. Basically just you push pressure on this and then pinch those two together, and then that comes off just like that. So once you have that, just kind of push this out of your way. And then all these are 8mm bolts, and they put tamper-proof material on here, so you're going to think that your 8mm doesn't fit, but it really does. It's just a way to tell if somebody's messed with the fuel pump or not. So there should be 6 of these. Okay, so once you pop that last one off, you're going to want to get a flathead right here and pop this ring off. And then just pull straight up. And when you feel it start to catch, just kind of do like some easy wiggling. And once you see this black line coming up, you're going to want to pop that side off like that and kind of hold your finger on it. And then same thing right here. Pop that side down and the fuel line will come off. Push that in there. And you're going to take it, and the fuel pump fits literally perfectly through this hole. So you have to take it out just like that. And then once you feel it grabbing the second time, you're going to want to tilt it. And then the fuel level sensor will come out. And that right there is how you remove your fuel pump on a G35 or G37 sedan.